Sorry for the wind. I can't do nothing about that. Maybe I can use my phone to move just a little bit. My toolbox. Maybe that will help just a little bit. But hi, I'm Involved Walls 56. Nice to meet you. I will be restoring this bike, hopefully over the course. I don't know how long. If I'm a quick worker, maybe a week. If not, then never know. But hi, I'm your friendly neighborhood trans man. I'm just here chilling, vibing, trying to figure out my life. I feel like every other 27-year-old is probably trying to do right now, trying to learn as much as I can. I have a homie trying to teach me electrical work and carpentry, so I might film some of that stuff. You might see a little compilation of like all the summer stuff we did and stuff like that, especially because my nieces and nephews are here and I don't really want them on camera, just for their safety and stuff like that, and just I wouldn't feel safe putting them on my channel. But yeah, welcome. I hope you enjoy. This will be one of the projects working on this beautiful bike I got from the dumpster. My homie's mother actually found it in the dumpster and she was like, "Hey, yo, you think your brother want this?" And I was like, "Yeah." And they said, "Yeah." And they brought it for me, so I'm gonna fix it up, work on it, and all that jazz. I haven't worked on my bike in I don't know how long though. Let's just be frank. So what I'm gonna do is completely, and I mean completely, just take everything apart. I think we're just gonna start from the front down. You know, take the wheels off. Not only take the wheels off, you're actually not bad tires. They look a little worn, but not like crazy. They still got all like the grooves and the divots and stuff in it. I haven't worked on a bike since I was a kid, and I used to love working on bikes when I was a kid. So this should be a fun little project. I'm trying to figure out if I should take. If I should take the handlebars off. I'm gonna start with the wheels. Get them hex keys. I'm at the 15 as this is really cheap. And it doesn't have a 15. Or a 10. For that matter. Beautiful too. Oh, no it. It's gonna be the one I didn't have. Who knew it? I knew it. So what we're gonna do instead, grab this bitch. Rods look good, right? They look good. I hate them. on my knees, bro. Switch it up, seriously. Crazy thing is, the homie might have a 50. His kid. Alright, let's see if this works. Oh. Make sure it's going to the left, to the left. You'll need it all the way up. Oh my god, push low. Scared the shit out of me. That cat's been one bad cat at least. Alright, what I'm gonna do, flip the bitch over. out nicely. It's this way. Take this bolt all the way off, because I can see the washer is the thing that's stuck. So let me show you. Right here. Take this off so you can see it. Washer. Rusted like crazy. Insane. So I'm gonna have to clean that. Plus love. Nigga, bitch. Might as well just take both off now. That's how you know it's summer. Plus love, your hair's all over my gloves, dog. I was gonna live stream this, but for some reason I got a little scared. So, videotaping for now. Still my life. I mean, also I still have to check to see if it let me. It told me I had to wait 23 hours before I could. Yeah, it was that washer. That washer for sure. Alright, for now, I'm gonna leave the wheels together. I'll put these back on it. Just so I don't lose them. Because I know me. I'm a stupid ass. I'd be losing shit. That's also why I bought me a tool belt, because I know my ass would be leaving shit out. Would have lost that shit. Yo, bro, you know what that saying? You live, you learn? That's literally me, dog. You live, you end up fucking learning. Alright. Well, it doesn't look like the bottom is gonna be too hard to pull. So it looks extreme. It looks extremely loose. So hold on. So I'll just grab it and show you. So this part of the bike, as you can see, is pretty. I think it's supposed to be like that so you can spin it and turn it. So I don't think it's gonna be hard to take off. It's been a long time since I bought a bike though. Even though it looks like I'm still a child, I'm not. 27 years old, dog. I already know. I'm gonna get so many questions about it. I still do to this day. Even people who know my age still question it. One thing I am super sad about is this chain. So I can like reuse the chains, not buckle the crack or anything. It still runs pretty smooth. It sounds terrible, but still runs pretty fucking smooth. So if I'm able to just clean it up, grease it up, along with this back here, because it's rusty. It's rusty back here. Fucking chilling. But this fucking chain doesn't have like the C-clip. Like, it doesn't have anything on it, any clips on it. Sorry. I have to make sure you're listening. So I have to take the chain off the hard way, but you know, like, literally hammering out the fucking stud. And I don't have like a, what's it called? Like I said, I'm new to electrical and carpentry. The divot punch, so you can make like nail punches, little divots and stuff like that. I don't have one of those. This back tire's worn out though. Yeah, this back tire's worn out. And I could just buy a new chain, but I don't want to do that. I want to see if I can actually restore the chain. I'll buy a new chain just in case I can't restore this chain. But I really want to try to like actually restore every piece on here besides the fucking the handlebar grips, because those are worn the fuck out. If I can't fix the seat. You know what I mean? That's a tiny ass seat, dude. I can't fix the seat, make it look brand new. I don't know how to sew or anything like that, but I can probably like rewrap it in a way, like probably put like a little foam tip or little foam pieces on the parts that are worn out and stuff, and then like scope it and then like refit a new fabric on there. That's what I'm thinking anyway, but we'll see what happens with that. It's also going to cost money, and when you're in the job market in a completely new place where only people you know is one family, it's kind of hard. But we're going to try to figure things out. We're just going to, you know, roll with what life gives us, I guess. Let the fucking mouse be good then. Let's take off this back tire. We yapping, bro. I'm yapping, bro. I feel like I need to put you lower so you can actually see what I'm doing. But damn, I don't have nothing like I love that sound. Messy. Alright, let's get this other bill off. I miss my homie. If you know him, Stand By Me News. Please go check him out. Does the news. Lit ass guy. He's the one who's teaching me electrical and carpentry. And I just miss him right now. I'm not gonna lie. I don't know what to do without him right now. If I ever need help with anything, I could just ask him. So, I'm trying to debate if I should just start streaming or not. Hold on. I'm gonna pause this real quick.